Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading a geo-referenced base and confirming the coordinate reference system. This prevents misalignment later. Open the Map or Insert tab, attach your GeoTIFF or SHP, and make sure the drawing units match the data, meters versus feet. Once done, set the drawing coordinate system in the Geographic Location panel so AutoCAD recognizes lat/long or projected coordinates. This first step aligns your CAD geometry to real-world space and saves troubleshooting time downstream. Next, import or assign coordinates to your CAD entities so they sit correctly on the map. Use the Geographic Location command to grab a map location, or import coordinate tables with MapConnect or the Acquire Coordinates tool. This preserves attributes like elevations and ID. If geometry needs transforming, create a suitable UCS, then use Align or move /rotate/scale commands to snap elements to control points. Make sure to maintain precision by using object snaps and reported coordinate values while you adjust. Finally, export or publish your geolocated drawing and verify accuracy with independent control points. Use the projected coordinate system when saving DWG or create a GeoTIFF for raster export. Then compare reported coordinates against survey marks or GPS points. If values drift, re-examine the CRS units and whether a datum shift is required. Those are common causes of error. As a troubleshooting tip, if alignment fails, undo transforms, reapply the correct CRS, and realign using at least 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.